Okay, let's talk about the user interface of View. If you open View, you can see this welcome screen. You can create empty landscape or other studio for render or environment map or something else. We click on simple landscape to explain what is happening here. So this is view with 4 window. The window it's the 4 side view, front, and the top. This is our landscape here. In the next lesson, I explain how to navigate on these landscapes. But if you want to, in some cases, we don't need to these 3 view. If you want to go to one view, you can double click on one of the screen and go to a single view. If you want to come back, you can double click here. That you can maximize or minimize the views. That's it. From here, like other software, we have the menus that all of the tools that you are separate here, you can find in these menus. Here are objects. You can create, holding your mouse, you can create any of objects here. Wow, it's big. Objects and trees, lights, clouds, everything that you insert in scene, you can find there. Explain them one by one. If you like it, you can bring any other landscape here. Nice. For example, this landscape. And then you can navigate on your scene. Very easy. And here are some edit tools, zoom in, out, or other edit tools. And then you can select your landscape here. You can see from this window, you can see the properties of the landscape selected, and then you can bring its settings and change it as you wish. Very simple. From here, if you want to move, scale, rotate, and position of the object, you can bring it there. Position, scale, rotation. And from here, if your object has an animation like trees and other things, you can access there. From here, it's a render. It means if you move, you can see real-time render here. And here is for navigation. I explain in next lesson. Everything that you create in a scene appear here. For example, this train, this cube. It's a little cube. You can see this shadow. For example, you can delete this to better see that. And this is on ground. This is main camera. This is sunlight. This is mountain and other trains. There are linked objects, the objects that are linked by themselves or linked by texture. You can find there. It's the important part, the material part of objects, and this is a library. And here we can see information about how many polygon that's in the scene, how zoom is that, CPU, and how many objects and light is in a scene. And that's it. It's very simple. Let's talk about how to navigate in a scene.